Pethrona Francis, and this is my first facial video.
What are you doing now?
I am rubbing the cleanser.
So you said applying the cleanser.
I am applying the cleanser to the client's face.
Okay. Just like to remove it. Squeeze it out. I use too much.
Too much soap,
Then you apply the scrub.
Take off some more soap.
It's not soap, you know, it's cleanser. You just use too much, but it's okay. You can just apply it. Scrub, yeah. You can go crisscross instead of to move the headband, like crisscross across. No, look at me this way.
With one finger.
2 finger.
Oh, you mean like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you go up the nose, the nostril there. Go in between, like look.
Oh, like that.
And go up. Water movement, right? See, I'm no scrub, don't touch our mouth corner there. Use the palm of your hand and yeah, right, and rub the scrub, right.
Okay.
And then come once, so one, right. Be free to use your finger up here. Okay, can remove it now. Bring it dry. Stay and put it. Now we're gonna steam on it. So you change the water. Change the water in the meantime, yes.
Turn on the steam and leave it on.
You turn it on. It's on already. Don't put your dirty hand in your face, you know. So now
steaming our face.
You can go down a little bit closer to her. Right to the steam. Yes, you can feel it. You can ask her if it's okay.
Is it okay?
So far, yes.
Okay. Oh, this is thick.
Come on, you know, squeeze down this and they have a tube. The scoop from the bottom. Sit there. Not in her eyelash, And here, because the neck wrinkles from there. you do.
Oh, neck area.
Not too far down,
Just
but
little
to
bit.
the right, and to the ears right there.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Let me see the next side. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's okay.
I'll leave it.
Right. And then you can just put on the. You see right here, because underneath your eyes, that's where you have wrinkles, you know. So you see right there, don't let it get in our eyes.
Just gently.
Gentle. That not gentle. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Look. Look. Gentle. Just to tighten up the wrinkles around our eye. Can't go too close, but can't go too far. Okay? Alright. And then you put on the cap.
Mask.
There.
You
Before you just drop it down on her eye, say close your eyes, please.
close your eyes, please.
Right. And then you put it on. She just bum.
Just bum. No, sir.
Okay. And you don't squeeze it down, you just rest it. And now you tell the clients that I'm going to have you relax like this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Say it.
I'm going to have you relax like this for about 5 to 10 minutes.
So what happened with mud masks? I notice a lot of people wear like these kind of masks, and what they do, they talk with the mask on. And what happened, if you look right here, you see how the mask crack on the face. So while you're talking, while the mask is getting hard and you're talking, all of those crack will squeeze your face, because remember your skin is very soft, so you don't want these cracks here where the mask dry and cracked up leave a wrinkle on your face. So this is the one of the reason why we always tell the client, if you put on this kind of mask, it's good to just relax and just rest. Don't talk, don't smile, don't laugh. Just let your face tighten up properly. You don't want it tighten up with wrinkle. When you laugh, your face give a wrinkle look. When you smile, you have a little wrinkle look, because it creases, your dimples come together. So you do not want the mask dry, leaving that. You want it to let your face look relaxed and subtle. So she's going to remove the facial mask now.
Is it what?
Please remove that. Now don't take up any more napkin. All you have to do is just remove that.
Just realize, huh?
Yeah, go on. So I'm gonna give you some tea tree. There's tea tree with hazel and